Here's a little dessert that's perfect for holiday gatherings. Mascarpone is softened and blended until smooth. Pour 60 grams of fresh milk into the egg yolk liquid. Beat until white. Remember to pour into the mascarpone in 3 batches. Put the mixed cheese paste into a piping bag. Ladyfingers dipped in coffee liquid. Placed at the bottom of the container. Apply a layer of cheese paste. What's a holiday without chocolate? Today, I'm using Novin Gold Truffles. Super thoughtful New Year limited cute rabbit gift box. Full of atmosphere. Very suitable for giving gifts during festivals. Using pure cocoa butter. It can also form different tastes depending on the temperature. If you like the crunchy texture, you can put it in the refrigerator. If you like a dense texture, you can store it at room temperature. Each one is a slightly bitter black chocolate shell, wrapped in soft and smooth filling. Each of the 4 flavors has its own characteristics. The mouth is instantly filled with cocoa aroma. Take 1 bite, just the right blend of sweet and bitter. Arrange the chocolates neatly. Spread cheese paste. Cover with finger biscuits. Repeat. Smooth with a scraper. Place in the refrigerator to chill for more than 4 hours to set. There is no festive atmosphere. Let's make some strawberry jam. Remember to let it cool. Spread it on the cheese paste. Sprinkle diced strawberries, cranberries, raspberries. Garnish with Novin truffles and mint leaves. Sweet and sour berries paired with rich and silky cheese. There is also dense chocolate in the middle that melts in your mouth. Come and make it for the one you love.